PNP condemns in the strongest terms this cowardly ambush against our personnel. 5 of our comrades were killed and 3 others were wounded. This is not just an attack on our people, but an attack on peace and order, and a direct affront to the rule of law. Ang ganitong karahasan ay walang lugar sa ating bayan. We will not retreat. We will not be intimidated. Hindi titigil ang PNP hanggat hindi napapanagot ang mga may sala. Sa mga pamilya ng ating nasawing bayani, nakikiramay kami sa inyong pagdadalamhati. Their sacrifice will not be forgotten, and it will not be in vain. No words will ever be enough, but you have our commitment. Hindi pababayaan ng PNP ang inyong pamilya. I have directed the Police Regional Office Bangsamoro Autonomous Region to ensure immediate and sustained support for the families of our fallen and wounded personnel. This morning, I also recognize the performance of our personnel nationwide. During the transport strike on March 26 and 27, ang inyong disiplina at kahandaan ang nagpapakita ng tunay na serbisyong mabilis, tapat at nararamdaman. Your swift deployment, coordination, and effort to provide alternative commuting options ensured that the daily lives of our citizens continued with a minimal disruption. This includes also with the various police operations that have conducted in dismantling private armed groups and as well as elimination of loose firearms on the street, as well as the proliferation or our campaign against illegal drugs, especially the dismantling of a clandestine drug laboratory in Mindoro this weekend. Now we prepare for the coming days. As we begin this new week, and we also enter the solemn observance of Holy Week, this sacred season calls for reflection, prayer, and spiritual renewal, which will also bring increased travel, religious gatherings, and public activity across the country. To all commanders, prepare early, deploy properly, be visible on the ground, step up assistance desks in transport terminals, major roads, and places of convergence, strengthen coordination with local government units, partner agencies, and emergency responders. To our motorists and public, follow traffic laws, avoid unnecessary risks, and always prioritize safety. Our highway patrol group and ground units are now positioned in key areas to ensure safe and orderly travel. This week is not only about operations, it is also about reflection. Holy Week reminds us that service requires not only strength, but patience, restraint, and compassion. As summer begins, we also expect increased activity in beaches, resorts, and public areas. I'm directing all units to intensify monitoring in these areas, prevent incidents before they happen, respond immediately when they do. Our presence must save lives, not just respond to loss. To the public, stay hydrated, take care of our health, follow safety guidelines, especially in open waters. To all PNP personnel, remain disciplined, focused, and committed in every action. Choose what is right in every situation. Act within the law. In every encounter, remember who we serve. Let our actions reflect a police organization that is firm in enforcing the law and fair in dealing with the public. Ipakita natin na ang lakas ng PNP ay hindi lang sa armas kundi sa disiplina, integridad at malasakit sa mamamayan. Together, let us continue to build a bagong PNP para sa bagong Pilipinas.
Serbisyong mabilis, tapat at nararamdaman.